Hi guys, Namaste. Today we are making unique yet cute and simple Father's Day gift ideas. For the first gift idea, I'm using this magnetic heart-shaped canvas. If you don't have this, you can also use a thick cardboard piece, cut it into a heart shape or any shape you want, and then you can stick some magnetic strips on its backside or magnetic buttons, whatever is available with you. Now I'm sticking this button with hot glue. Next, I'm using a black gel pen to draw my designs and also to write my text. Now using this metallic gold paint marker, I'll give a border to this fridge magnet. Now it completes our first gift idea. It is so simple to make, it will definitely bring a smile on your father's face. This DIY is particularly customized for Nishant on behalf of Farin because he always asks him in the morning, Papa, aaj aapki chutti hai kya? That means if he is on leave today so that he can play with him. There must be something special between you and your father. You can customize the text as per your relation. And yeah, let's get started with this. So here I'm painting white acrylic paint on the diary first. Once the white paint has dried, I'll use a sponge to paint on my other colors. This will give some kind of a texture on the diary. Adding little bit of the yellow on top of it, and then we'll let this dry completely. After it has dried completely, I'm taking different sizes of circles and then drawing circles on the diary like this. I'm going to make mandal design, but you can make whatever you like on the diary. It is just to make a customized diary for your father which he can use to write like anything, to-do list, his daily office notes, or anything he wants. Everyone needs a diary, I think. No matter what age he is, everyone will love a gift like this. After completing my design, I'm adding a gold border to my mandal design. It will look really good. And then I'll write my text, Papa, aaj aapki chutti hai kya? Whenever Nishant will use this, he'll definitely get a smile on his face. I'm so excited for Father's Day when Parin will gift this to him. I'm so excited. So yeah, that completes our second DIY. Both were very simple and cute. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Happy Father's Day to all the papas, fathers, daddies, dads in this world. Bye bye. Enjoy.